Alright guys, we got a 2005 F250 four-door work truck, lower radiator hose. A lot of guys don't show the routing on there, and so I figured I'd show the routing. I'm not going to show how to take it all back off, but okay, big thing is take out the bolts here that hold the brackets that hold the radiator in. So I believe them are 8 millimeters, so take them out, 2 on that side, then your radiator can pull ahead. This has your fan shroud cover. There's 2 8 millimeter bolts, one here, one over there. Then it has the 2 tips that are down in the bottom that it just slides into. So take your hose off, take your other hose that goes up to your bottle off, get them out of your way. Then you just got to push out on this to get it past here, and then that whole plastic will pop out if you want to go that route. You might even be able to do it with it in, but it's kind of nicer to have it out of the way. It gets a lot easier to get that hose. So I took my 1 turbo line. I didn't take it off. I just spun it up out of the way. The bottom's still connected, but that gets it open so you can see where that is. You know, the hose clamps, you can say they're 8 millimeters, 5/16. Well, another one I got is like a 7 or something weird or whatever. So, but the routing for when it goes down, like I was having a problem with it, trying to get it down and through here, but you know, because the plastic was off, the radiator tipped ahead, so I was going that way, which was wrong. So what you want to do is you want to have it back up. So if you're standing up here, you can see the steering gear down there in the very bottom. So you want to make sure it's on the top toward the front of the truck off that steering box. And then it just, once you get it over there, then it'll just flop. You can see the steering gear. Right here is where the steering gear is. So a lot of people, I even did it last night, I wasn't paying attention, tried to put it down through here. When you get up here, it bends the tube right off, and you fight with it. So that's the routing. It goes down and over top of the steering gear, next to the radiator, then down and across to the other side. Hose is like 55, 60 bucks for the hose. So, and just hope that shows you guys a little bit better on the routing of which way that hose lays, because I laugh because there's a couple other guys on YouTube and nobody shows which way the hose goes. They always just show the hose being done, and that's it. So yep, the motor has 350 on her and she's covered with oil, but she still goes every day. So hope this helps somebody. If you like, subscribe, and have a good day, guys.